Hi and welcome to Diving Head First. Today this is just like a quick update kind of thing because I'm going to be starting to post other videos other than DIY videos. So I just wanted to do a quick update that I'm going to label the thumbnails accordingly and also in the titles as to like what type of video it is, because I want to do more videos about like when I do cool fun stuff that are just like vlogs, and then also some stuff about my PKU and my psoriatic arthritis. So they're all going to be set. I'm going to like have coloring and labels for each like different type of video. So I just wanted to put that out there so that if you are interested in that kind of stuff, great. But if you're not, then I'll label the thumbnails and the titles appropriately so that if it's not a video for you, you could just skip over it. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.